Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Regions online banking. Secure sign-in step by step clearly. Open a trusted web browser like Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. Type https://www.regions.com into the address bar and press enter. Check the web address carefully to confirm it is the official Regions website. Look for the lock icon in the browser to confirm the connection is secure. On the homepage, find the online banking sign-in area. Click or tap the user ID field to place your cursor there. Enter your Regions online banking user ID exactly as you created it. Click or tap the password field. Enter your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you are on a private device, you may choose Remember User ID only if you trust the device. Do not select any Remember option if you are using a public or shared computer. Double-check your user ID and password for typing mistakes. Click the Login or Sign In button to continue. If prompted, complete any security verification such as a code sent by text or email. Open your SMS or email app and locate the one-time verification code from Regions. Return to the Regions login page and enter the code in the required field. Submit the code and wait for confirmation that verification is successful. If asked to trust the device, choose Yes only for your personal device. After signing in, confirm you see your account dashboard with your accounts listed. If the site asks security questions, answer them exactly as you set them up. If you cannot log in, click Forgot User ID or Forgot Password on the sign-in area. Follow the on-screen steps to verify your identity and reset your credentials. Create a strong new password that is unique and not used on other websites. Avoid logging in on public Wi-Fi and use a secure private network when possible. Always log out when you finish, especially on shared devices. Click the Logout option and wait until you return to the sign-in page. Close the browser completely to help protect your session and information. If you notice unusual activity, contact Regions customer support immediately through official channels. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.